What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So guys, we've got all the interior pretty much removed out of the car except for the dash. Door panels are out, everything in the back is out. I didn't take that plastic part off of the e-brake. I don't know why, but I just didn't. But I got the wet vac out, and I'm just gonna go through with the wet vac and just pretty much see if I can suck out some of this water and everything out of here. Just clean it down really good, wipe it down. I got some cleaner and stuff over there, so I'm just gonna pretty much just clean this down and just wipe it down really good before I, you know, progress. But I just want this clean. I hated it how it looked before. It was really disgusting.
I'ma take this cracker out the trenches. More money, more problem on your business. I hate to lay down, want to listen. Won't do it again, Lord willing.
So all of this stuff is right here is just holding in water. It's all just like holding in water. So I think I'm just about to rip it all out of here. I don't know. I don't want it in here no more. I'd rather just have a bare floor than deal with like this. See, this is pretty disgusting. I need some gloves or something. I'll keep that. But like all the rest of this stuff has to go. And I didn't want to get it trapped up in the wet vac, but yeah, all of that has to go.
They fought with me, don't mean they want the best for me. I know, keep it 100 with me, don't turn into 5-0. Don't gotta lie, be honest, cause really I know. Open up my eyes whenever my eyes close. When it's sunny, I wonder what it go to rain for. Without money, I just might turn into a criminal. Nigga down, I guess it's all on me. I ain't hear from you when I called them 3. But I'm real, I ain't gonna be like how you be. That's the difference between all you and me, swear to God. I'ma take the struggle out the trenches. More money, more problem on your business. I hate to lay down, want to listen. Won't do it again, Lord willing.
I've actually just been sitting here trying to pick off all of this molding like this. I wish I had like some fishing pole wire or like some kind of thin wire or something. I don't want to use a scraper because I don't want to scrape the paint. But I've just been sitting here picking it off, and I gotta do all 4 sides, so this is probably gonna be a minute. But I wanted all of this off. I hated it. Well guys, after a long day, she is finally clean. I think it came out really good. It was super dirty. Drop a comment, tell me what you guys think. There is like a lot of paint work that needs to be done on it. I'm not tripping hard. I'm probably just gonna get it painted. No body damage though, no real rust or anything, except for on those brake calipers. But other than that, got it all cleaned up. And the inside, still some water spots. I don't know if you guys know, but I kind of feel like the water comes in through like the window. I don't know if there's supposed to be a seal right here. You guys can drop a comment down below and let me know, but there is no seal right there. And see how the water, see how water is able to just go through the crack. Maybe from when I was pressure washing it, it just went through. I don't know, but I would like to figure that out. Let's check the other side. Yeah, same thing on this side. There's no seal. I don't know if there's a seal that's supposed to be there. other than that, she is nice and clean. I'll probably check you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.